I only have 60 seconds to tell you about this luxurious home in Highland Park here in Redding. Let's go explore. Nice courtyard as you enter the home. Wide open living spaces with lots of natural light, perfect for entertaining. Generous island in the kitchen that connects for gatherings. Large laundry area with the extra half bath. Gas fireplace for those winter evenings. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a well cared for home, and the inspections, they're already completed. It's got a large and separate master suite. Fully fenced yard, backing up to the greenbelt. Got mountain views, it's walking distance to some of the best schools in the region. Solar power to make the cost of living even more affordable. I'm JR, your real estate friend here in Redding, where the world wants to live. And your referrals help us rescue more kids. For more information on that, go to rescuekids.org.